Momo is a delicacy of Tibet, Nepal, Bhutan and northern regions of India like Darjeeling, Sikkim and Ladakh. It looks similar to Chinese Dimsum or Japanese Gyoza but tastes different. There are variations in Momo recipes as per regions and even families. You can make Momo with any meat or any vegetables of your choice and enjoy it with soup or sauce of your choice. Here I'm sharing my and my family's recipe for delicious chicken momo, hot tomato sauce and soothing vegetable soup. Hey guys, welcome to Love Your Family, a cooking channel, and I am YT. Here are the ingredients for filling. Let's start with chopping onions. Here's a tip on how to avoid tears while cutting onions. After peeling, cut the onion into 2 halves and dip them in a pot filled with cold water. This helps in reducing irritation of eyes. Chop the onion into small pieces by cutting vertically and then horizontally. Other option is to put it into a chopper, but we have to take care that onions shouldn't be mushy. They should still be in small individual pieces. Let's prepare the filling. I'm adding ground chicken into the chopped onions and mixing them very well. Now I'm chopping coriander leaves. I have washed them already. Doing the same with the spring onions. Now I'm mixing them into ground chicken and onion mixture. I'm mixing 3 teaspoons of ginger paste and about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, just to give it some color. Using turmeric powder is totally optional. That's why it's not listed in the ingredients. I'm adding salt, about 2.5 teaspoons, and mixing everything very well. And here goes oil, about 2 tablespoons. And soy sauce, about 3 tablespoons. Soy sauce adds very nice flavor and also color to the mixture. Mix everything well and the filling is ready. Time to pack momos now. So we have brought ready-made wrappers from a Chinese grocery store. If you're gonna buy wrappers, buy the ones that says dumpling or pierogi. You can also make it at home from scratch. Cover it in some other videos later. Here I'm putting the filling in the wrapper and dipping my finger in water and putting it around the edge of the wrapper. To close the filling, pinch with your fingers in one corner and then make a fold only in the outer part that's away from you and pinch both inner and outer parts together again. Repeat this process. Fold and pinch together. Repeat it again. Repeat it until the filling is closed inside the wrapper. Seal the tips with your fingers again. So you have made a momo. Hey guys, while I'm making momos here, my husband is making soup and sauce in the kitchen. Well, it takes a family to make momos. I was taught to pack momos when I was about 11 years old. I remember the excitement of family, the extended family, sitting in the kitchen, some preparing the dough and the wrappers, some adding filling into the wrappers, and some of us packing the wrappers. Some are cooking the momos and preparing soup and the sauce. It used to be a big family time. Time for family chats and stories. Well, we still follow this family tradition whenever we can. So, making momos is usually having family together, spending a lovely family time, full of good memories. Water is boiling in the bottom tier of this steamer and we are ready to cook momos. Now we are oiling top 2 tiers per cooking momos. After oiling, arrange the momos like this, leaving space between the momos. In each tier, we have around 20 to 25 momos. So in 2 tiers, we have around 50 momos. The bottom tier has been boiling with water and we are putting these 2 tiers of momos on top of the bottom tier. We are letting it cook for 18 minutes on medium to high heat. Now 18 minutes is over and the momos are cooked. They smell good. Nice smell. Our soup and sauce are ready and we are gonna enjoy hot momos with soup and sauce. But here in the video, I'm gonna show you how we prepared the soup and the sauce as well. Hey guys, this is the vegetable soup we made. You can use any vegetables of your choice. Here we have used carrots, potatoes, beans, some cauliflower florets, spring onions, coriander, some chopped onions, tomatoes, chopped tomatoes, spinach, and you will also need oil and salt. So we boiled water and chopped all the vegetables, washed them, chopped them, and when the water started boiling, we put the vegetables in. Then added some salt and oil and let it boil. So after it boiled, we let it simmer for about 30 minutes. Vegetable soup is ready. For the sauce, we made hot tomato sauce. We really like to have our sauce very hot. For this, we need 4 to 5 medium-sized tomatoes and some chilies. We also need crushed garlic cloves, olive oil, and salt. So we boiled tomatoes and red chilies. After they were boiled for some time, we took the skin out and put them in together with crushed garlic cloves, some oil and salt, and blended them together. Hot tomato sauce is ready. Hey guys, we fried the leftover momos in the morning and ate it with leftover sauce. It's really delicious. Do give it a try. Hey guys, 2 pounds of chicken makes lots of momos, so we can freeze it overnight, pack it in Ziploc bags next morning and eat it whenever you want. This is my recipe for chicken momo. If you would like to share your recipe, please do so in the comments below. And if you like my videos and would like to see more of these videos, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Hey guys, thank you. Thanks for watching. Until next time.